the oven's not working, so when I go to turn it on, the igniter goes to ignite, but no gas comes out. Nothing. So I was able to trace it to the board. All the burners on top work. The broiler works, but the lower burner for the oven does not work. SMEG does not do their own warranty coverage. They sub it out to a third party, ADCO service. So I emailed ADCO service. I told them what was going on. They're like, hey, like, we understand. We'll get you a tech, but it's gonna be some time. It's around the holidays. You know how that goes. I was like, it's fine. Like, I can do it myself. I already know what part it is. Like, it's a simple job. They sent me the part the next day. This is how I was able to determine that the board is bad. This is the circuit right here for the oven. They call it the Forno. So it's that J1.5, that's 120 volts. Once that circuit completes, that little indicator light lights up on the front. That sends a signal 120 volts to the igniter. For some reason, the board is not taking the 120 volts and sending 12 volts to J2.2. The gas valve, the electronic gas valve, and the F is for Forno, to complete the circuit for the gas valve to open. There's the model number right there, CPF30UGGOR. The board on the left is the new one, which is identical except for that green resistor. It has that orange sticker next to it that looks like it was a separate quality test. The moment of truth. We have an oven, Mommy. Once the oven was fixed, I went and emailed ADCO service and told them the time that I spent working on it, and they sent me a nice check for $365.